Hold up, big baby. That's what I said. Said it, Grand Griffin. Hey, so it is second grade math with Mr. Bed. I had to play that song because you know that that is our song, guys. All right, so it is second grade math with Mr. Bed. I love you and I miss you guys so much. And I just want you to know that this is all in preparation for you to continue into second grade, but also to help you as you matriculate to third grade very soon. Okay? So let's go ahead and get right into it. So your I can statement is I can sort and record data into a table. Now, previously, you learned how to sort and record data by a line plot. You could graph data on a line plot. But this time, you're going to sort and record data into a table. So we know that data is information collected through observation. All right, so I want you to sit back and I want you to think about how many people are in your household right now? How many people are in your household right now? How many of them are boys or men? How many of them are girls or women? Okay? So think about that right now. All right. So, with you thinking about that, that is you recording data. That is you getting data. You're looking around, you're just looking through it through observation. That's all data is, getting that information through observation. All right. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. So, previously, you have pencils, and I'm going to come up here again. You have pencils, and those pencils, you had pencils that were 4 centimeters long, pencils that were 9 centimeters long, pencils that were 2 centimeters long. I want you to think about how many pencils there were that were 4 centimeters, how many pencils there are that are 9 centimeters, and how many pencils there are that are 2 centimeters. Okay. So previously, when we plotted our data on a line plot, we graphed our data on a line plot. We knew that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pencils that were 4 centimeters long. Pencils that were 9 centimeters long is 1, 2, 3, only 3 pencils. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pencils that were 2 centimeters long. All right, so how can I sort and graph that data onto a table? All right, so you have your table right here, okay? So how can I record that information? How can I record the information that I just received? I know that the pencil that was 4 centimeters long, I had 17 of those. I know that the pencil that was 9 centimeters long, I had 3 of those. And the pencil that was 2 centimeters long, I had 7 of those. So if I wanted to record the information to a table, I can do so by tally marks as well. So I'm skip counting by 5 because we know how to do that. So 5, 10, 15. Add 2 more and you have 17. All right, what about the pencil that was 9 centimeters long? We could put 3 tally marks there. That is going to help us to identify how many there are once I recorded my data. 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, so that is how I record my data into a table. Let's look at it another one. So I have how many are in Mr. Ved's second grade class. All right, so previously I had to sort how many were boys, how many were girls. I'm going to give you a few minutes to sort those through, okay? When I graphed it on my line plot, I knew that there were 16 boys in the classroom and 8 girls in the classroom. So, how can I record the information into a table? I can do so by placing my tally marks where they are appropriately. So, of course, we skip counting by 5, 5, 10, 15, plus 1 is 16. How many girls are there? 5 plus 3, and there are 8 girls. Now, shapes and its size. I am going to give you time to think about how many shapes have 3 sides, how many shapes has 4 sides, how many shapes have 5 sides. Go ahead and get those numbers inside of your head. All right, so as we plotted our data on our line plot, we know that we had 4. Oh, I had the wrong title up here. I had 4 sides that were 3 sides, 4 shapes that were 3 sides. I had 8 that were 4 sides, and I had 3 that were 5 sides. So that is how I plot my data. Now, how do I record the information into a table? I do it the same exact way. I use my tally marks to help me. There are 4 shapes with 3 sides. There are 8 shapes, 5 and 3 makes 8. And there are 3 shapes with 5 sides. So that is how I can take that information and sort it and put it into a table. Make sure that you continue to follow us on YouTube for more updates. So put in QEA second grade and you can subscribe and you'll know when there are videos uploaded. All right. I love you guys and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. If I spoke on your behalf, then well, you wouldn't know how to talk. If I gave you everything and everything is what I bought, I can take it all back. I never care about what you